Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to send automatic email reminders for events on Microsoft Outlook Calendar. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. This will take you directly to the Microsoft Outlook web app where you can access all your email and calendar features. Once you arrive at the page, log in using your Microsoft account credentials if you haven't already. After logging in, wait a moment for your inbox to fully load so you can access all the available features. Now that your email interface is ready, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find your Quick Access toolbar. This toolbar contains shortcuts to various Outlook features including Mail, Calendar, Contacts, and more. From this menu, locate and click on the Calendar icon. This will open up your full calendar view where you can manage all your events and appointments. With your calendar now open, you'll see your schedule displayed in a monthly, weekly, or daily view depending on your settings. For this demonstration, go ahead and select any date on your calendar to create a new event. The specific date doesn't really matter since we're just using this event to show you how the email reminder feature works. When you click on a date, a new event window will pop up where you can enter all the details for your meeting or appointment. In this event creation window, direct your attention to the top part of your screen. You'll notice several icons representing different options for your event. Look specifically for the alarm clock icon, which represents the reminders feature. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various reminder options. This is where you can control how and when you want to be notified about your upcoming events. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Add Email Reminder. This option is specifically designed to send you email notifications in addition to or instead of standard pop-up reminders. Once you select this, an email reminder window will open up. In this window, click on the plus Add Email Reminder button. This will provide you with a small text field where you can compose a short, customized email reminder message that will be sent to you before the event. Type in your reminder message, keeping it clear and concise so you'll immediately understand what it's about when you receive it. After you've entered your email reminder message, click the Save button to confirm and store your reminder settings. Now that your email reminder is configured, all you need to do is continue filling out the rest of your event details. Add the event title, time, location, attendees, and any other relevant information. Once you're satisfied with all the details, save the entire event. From this point forward, whenever you create events in Outlook Calendar, you can quickly add email reminders using this same process, ensuring you never miss an important meeting or appointment. And that's it. You've successfully set up automatic email reminders for your Outlook Calendar events. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.